Good morning, good day everyone. My name is Sheila S. Pasilan, and today I'm having my teaching demonstration for kindergarten storytelling. Welcome to the world of Brown Bear, What Do You See? This classic children's book is a fun way to introduce to young learners the colors and animals. So in this story, it was entitled Brown Bear, What Do You See? This book is written by Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. And in this book, in this story, the students will learn the following. First, they can identify colors and animals. So in this, they can learn the basic English vocabulary for colors and animals. Next, practice listening and repeating. So it can improve the pronunciation and vocabulary retention through repetition. And last would be the interactive participation. So in this, the student will be engaged in story activities to reinforce learning. So the required materials for this lesson is first is the storybook. So we have the storybook. The title of the storybook is The Brown Bear, What Do You See? And the flashcards. So these are for the animals and colors for visual learning. And the coloring materials, the animal sheets. I have the activity sheets later on. And the crayons for hands-on activity. Okay, so we will start. Are you excited to listen to a story, children? Okay, very good. It's good that you are very excited. Now show me your happy face if you are very excited. Everybody smile. Smile like teachers. Show me your happy face. Okay, very good. So teacher is happy when children are happy as well. Okay, but before that, before we will listen to a story, let's sing first. The old MacDonald had a farm. Okay, so are you familiar with that song? Okay, very good. So it's a nursery rhyme and you are all familiar about it, right? Okay, so let's start. So teacher first, and then after that, all of us will sing The Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Okay, everybody, let us sing. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, so let us sing it again. Okay, so you sing with teachers. Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, moo, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, and here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay. Now this time let us replace the cow with a duck. So what is the sound of a duck? Do you know what is a duck? Yes, what is the sound of a duck? It's quack quack, quack quack, quack quack. Right? Okay, you say quack quack. Okay, very good. Okay, now are you ready? So let us begin. So our story, the title is Brown Bear, what do you see? It is written by Bill Martin Jr. and pictures by Eric Carle. Ooh, Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Oh, so what animal is in the picture? Can Can you say it again? It's a bear. What color is the bear? It's brown. Very good. Okay, next. Ooh, red bird, red bird. What do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Ooh, what animal is in the picture? Yes, it's a bird. Now, what color is the bird? It's red. Very good. Okay, very good. Now, can you say the word red bird? Okay, everybody? Okay, very good. Red bird. Okay, next. The red bird see a yellow duck. Ooh, yellow duck, yellow duck. What do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Quack, quack. Oh, so what is in the picture? It's a duck. Yes, it's a duck. What color is the duck? Yes, it's yellow. Yeah, very good. Can you say yellow duck? Yellow duck. Again, yellow duck. Very good. Okay, now, what is in the picture? Horse. What color is the horse? Blue. Very good. Can you say blue horse? Blue horse. Very good. So, blue horse. What do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Ooh. See? Rabbit, rabbit. Can you imitate the sound of a frog? Okay. Uh-huh. Green frog, green frog. What do you see? Rabbit, rabbit. I see a purple cat looking at me. Oh, now what is in the picture? It's a frog. Okay, very good. What color is the frog? It's green. Now, can you say green frog? Green frog. Very good. Now let's continue. Purple cat. What do you see? Meow, meow. I see a white dog looking at me. Ooh, what did the cat see? A white dog. Okay. Now, what animal is in the picture? It's a purple cat. Okay, can you say purple cat? Okay, very good. Purple cat. Now, white dog. What do you see? Ah, 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 ah. I see a black sheep looking at me. Ooh, what animal is in the picture? Okay, it's a white dog. Now, can you say white dog? Okay, white dog. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so assuming that the children already met, so we will do the same procedure until the last. So the last is, teacher, teacher, what do you see? I see a children looking at me. And children, children, what do you see? Okay, so this is the time that we see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Okay, very good. So you have met a lot of animals. So the brown bear and his friends were there. So do you like the story? Uh-huh. Okay, very good. Okay, now this time we will have a interactive game. Okay, so when I show you this, okay, when I show you the bear, you clap your hand. Okay, and then when I say red bird, you jump up. Okay, can you do that? Okay, red bird. Okay, jump. Okay, very good. Now, brown bear. Okay, very good. Now, we have learned a lot of colors and a lot of animals today. Now, let's see if you can still remember the colors and the animals, no, and their colors. So I have here the sheet, no, the coloring sheets. So I have here a sheet. So these are the animals in the brown bear, and you are going, okay? I will hands uh hand out all these coloring sheets, and then you color the animals according to their colors in the story, okay? So we have here the bear, the brown bear, the red bird, the duck, the horse, the frog. So you are going to color them according to the colors in the story. Okay? Do you like it? Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now are you excited? Okay, now here are the coloring sheets. Okay, so assuming that the children have already received all the coloring sheets, and then the teachers, so I as a teachers would go around, roam around, and to check what they're doing, and to ask them is what are they coloring, what animals, and what is the color of the animals. Okay, so and then after that, for the extending activity, they can I will give them an assignment that they can draw their favorite animals from the picture, or their favorite animals, and then they can color it, and then they're going to show it to the class on the next day. And this time, for the closing, we will sing a goodbye song. So the goodbye song is uh Goodbye Goodbye Children with the tune of Are You Sleeping? Okay, so let's sing everybody. Okay, children, so it's time to say goodbye. So let's sing a song. Everybody stand up. So a teacher will sing first, okay, and then you follow. Goodbye children, time to go, time to go. See you all tomorrow, see you all tomorrow. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye. Okay, everybody, let's sing the song. Goodbye children, time to go, time to go. See you all tomorrow, see you all tomorrow. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye. Okay, thank you. And then that ends my teaching demonstration.